very masaya siya. Daming giveaways, tsaka okay naman yung overall parang planning niya, tsaka yung fun holes very interesting and very different from any other event.
Advance congratulations to the one who organized this event. Second, to the winners. And lastly, to all the players. Congrats and advance Merry Christmas to all.
Medyo umuulan, tapos umiinit. So, good weather naman para sa lahat. Kahit umuulan, enjoy the game.
Nakakatuwa. Tapos especially yung driver-only hole. Natuwa kami doon kasi habang chip, pot, second shot, lahat driver.
Congratulations to all the players na nag-enjoy at sa organizer at sa invite sa amin. Thank you very much and advance Merry Christmas.
I would like to take this opportunity na magpasalamat ako sa Mamam Boys na invite ako. Thank you, we're having fun.
Napakaganda. Every month we do it. Every 3 months we do it. So this is our last tournament for the year. So Christmas tournament natin.